Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 says a machine makes 14 dog treats each minute. How many dog treats can the machine make in an hour? So this problem implies that we're going to use multiplication. We know in the problem there's 14 dog treats made each minute, and we want to know how many in an hour. So we have to multiply the number of dog treats each minute times the number of minutes in an hour. So if we know or we look up there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, we know we're going to take the 14 dog treats each minute and multiply that by the 60 minutes in an hour. So we have 14 times 60. You'll notice I used a trick and put the 0 on the end and just dropped it down. 6 times 4 is 24, which we write the 4 and carry the 2. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. And so 14 times 60 will give us 840 dog treats in the hour.